Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Sherdil e-learning portal. In this course, we will discuss about the Alibaba Cloud Associate Essential Bootcamp components, which is actually the sub part of the cloud computing domain of Alibaba. Moving forward, what we will discuss in this course, this is more towards the practical scenario, not the theoretical. If you are looking the complete theoretical and the complete associate and professional course, then check out my Alibaba Cloud Associate and Professional 2-in-1 course, which is separate from this. This is actually just the boot camp which help you to get hands-on directly on Alibaba Cloud without learning the theoretical part and without approaching to pass the exam. So in this course, we will discuss about the Elastic Container Service, introduction and setup, VPC networking, how you will set up the basics like VPC basics and configurations, server load balancers, like how to set up the SLB, which setup and use cases like the listeners, back end, front end, and all the things, cloud disk management like resizing and optimizations, object disk storage, right, and usage, and how to set up the static website hosting, right. Not start of that, but you can move on the relational database server, which is not only the practical part but the theoretical part. And in the relational database servers, we normally focus on the MySQL part. And the final part is the basic exam preparation. But keep in mind, this is just the boot camp or the master class, not the fully course. The full course exists on the same e-learning portal, but with the name of Alibaba 2-in-1. The price of the essential bootcamp and the 2-in-1 are quite change, right? This course is approximate $50, but you can get discount when you apply the proper code exist in our different promotions. So before get this course, check out my trailer video which you are already looking, in order to check that how and what you will get the components on this course. See you in the class. Thank you.